You're on camera, so. Yeah, yes, you do. Oh, that booty, yes, absolutely. It's better. It's very. Off you go. All right, my wife just left for the gym, and we're gonna surprise her. We're gonna redecorate this area and install a sauna. This Heavenly Heat Eco. It's a one-person fire-infrared sauna cabin that should fit neatly in this corner. The instruction manual says don't try to assemble it alone. That's exactly what I'm gonna try with all the pieces in the garage. Hopefully it's gonna be set up before my wife returns. Go to the comments and let me know, what do you think how my wife's gonna react? She gonna be happy or not so happy? We'll find out. Let's do it. First we need to clear all of this stuff. Alright, this looks like the roof. I'm gonna need that later. Floor panel. Alright. So this is gonna be the footprint. I think I wanna put it like so. So it's kind of, or so. Maybe like this. We might be able to turn it if need be. Shit is heavy. Front door. I'm gonna put this here for now. Back panel. Looks like the heater's here. Let's set this in the back. Side panel. Other side panel. I have a feeling we might want to move this guy a little bit. Okay, pass auf. So, du haltest mal das bitte hier schnell. Okay, aha, genau so. Okay, schau, dass es gerade ist einigermaßen. Ja, mit dem kann man dann die Wände zusammengeben. Okay, bam, so, jetzt hält das. Wunderbar, jetzt können wir dann die zweite noch. Siehst du, wie einfach das ist? Is this straight? Is it not straight? Achso, das müssen wir anschrauben. I think this guide here is not centered properly because I would have to angle this heater instead of having it perpendicular here, or parallel I should say, to the front panel. So I don't think this guy here is right. I've been wrong before with assembling stuff, but I think I'm gonna pry this out to make sure that this is perfectly parallel. I don't see any reason why that would have to be angled. Doesn't make any sense to me. So let's do that, and let's do that. Here's the thing. This plate here prevents this guy from being flush with that heater. So, but just by whatever, that half of an inch or whatever it is, a quarter of an inch, and the screw is not long enough to go in here. Something is odd, or I'm an idiot. Either way is perfectly possible, but gonna see what's behind here. So now this is a little bit exposed, yes, but now it sits flush. And I don't know, I have the feeling sitting flush is always better than not. So I leave it off. This guy sits flush. And now we can put on the bench. And now those two guide rails for that heater also fit. So I think I made the right-ish call. All right. Now we have that. Next step, door handle, door. We do that over here. Hat's alles gepasst? Super, okay. Haha! Alright. Sind wir fast fertig. Das Dach noch. Make sure to clear all wires from the walls to the outside of the sauna. Connect, connect, connect. Guys, this was honestly the quickest sauna install I've ever done. So incredibly easy. 165 degrees. Bum. All right, that was it. LE, I don't know what that means. Oh, chromotherapy, lights on and off, LEDs. Cool. Bluetooth is heating up. There we have it, the Heavenly Heat Eco. Nice. Can move it back a little. Affordable. What else can you ask for? I mean, if you want to have a sauna at home, in a real sauna, not just a sauna blanket or something, there you have it. Let's see how my wife's gonna react to our beautiful new accessory. So I wanted to surprise my wife when she came back, but she took so long at the workouts that I went down, do stuff, and in the meantime she came up, I wasn't here, and she already saw the sauna. But let's ask her anyway what she thinks about our new family room decoration. So what you say?
It's small, but it fits perfectly here.
Right? Yeah, so, and you can actually move it around, it's not heavy at all. Check it out. Post-workout recovery session. It's very warm. It's at 167. That's really, really warm for an infrared. Yeah.
I like it. It's small.
Uh-huh.
You can have it in an unfinished basement.
Yeah. Or in the family room.
Finished basement.
Wait, is he? Look it over here. It's not a toy, mommy.
Well, there I have it. What do you think? You like the sauna in our family room? Yes, no, maybe so. Well, I definitely like the sauna itself. We can talk about and argue about the location and positioning, but it's a really, really nice sauna. Heats up fairly quickly to 167. I think we topped out. Has chromotherapy in there, has speakers in there, so you can stream music if you want to. Or if you turn it towards the TV, you could be watching TV while you're in the sauna. I don't know. Anyway, really cool. Like it. Heavenly Heat Saunas Eco. Stay tuned for the review. Let me know if you have any specific questions about the sauna so I can address them in the upcoming review.